For every growing business, it's crucial to monitor receivables in terms of their aging. Responsible account managers and organizational operations like branch, state, region, and division to have 360-degree analytical capabilities. Scorecard report shows outstanding receivables summary at region, division, state and branch levels of an organization. It empowers management to review outstanding receivables against selected month, which is June at the moment, and to compare with last month of May to have an idea if receivables are increasing or decreasing in terms of actual value and percentages. On the other hand, it empowers to compare one organizational unit like region, division, state or branch with another organizational unit on the fly. For an instance, at the state level of Pennsylvania, it has positive decline of 26.05%, whereas Arizona State has increase of 25.76% in its receivables, which needs to be investigated for its respective branches and recovery managers. At organizational level, there is an increase of 71.61%. Organizational summary report shed light in bit more detail with respect to receivables aging, customers, trends, and industries. For an instance, branch receivable summary represents total outstanding with respect to their aging buckets, and if we click Omaha branch, then we are able to see its respective customers, customer industries, and trend for respective months. Similarly, we can review these details at region, division, and state levels. Recover Manager Summary Report empower to evaluate team's performance, and again we have aging buckets, organizational units, and trend. For an instance, if we select Anibal Sosa, then we can see receivable breakup in aging buckets, branches, states, and trends percent containing information about invoice amount and receivables out of an invoice. If we select Massachusetts from Operations Summary Chart, then we can see its invoice amount and outstanding receivables, aging buckets, responsible recovery managers and their breakups, and branches under Massachusetts. Customers Summary provides capability to review outstanding receivables against customers. It's always challenging to find top 10 customers who owns foremost credit and needs to be taken care. Receivables Summary enables to sort total receivables column or any other aging bucket columns. Receivable by geography represents receivables size for branch level. Upon selecting any branch, rest of the section starts to speak details. Receivables Trend Analysis empower to review top business actors needs to be addressed, like top recovery managers, operations, and their trends breakups. Upon selection Omaha branch, we can review respective recover managers, monthly breakups in receivable trend chart, and percentages of receivable in receivable percent trend chart. Similarly, selecting Andrew Hill recovery manager, we can see breakup for its respective branches and receivables breakup in receivables trend charts and aging of receivables at above. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any query.